let's get started.
Alright, so first, we have to put the butter on the bread. No duh. So first get your butter, obviously, and put it on the bread. Both sides. And put it on both sides, or whatever. And then get your cheese and put it on there. And then, obviously, make it to a sandwich. And then, you gotta get your pan. Yeah. And put your thing in there. I had to make the pan bigger. And then turn it on. Once it's on, obviously, put the pan on the thing. And then, yeah, you keep flipping it around. Like that. So just flip it over a few times. And then once it looks really good and toasted like that, obviously, once it looks good, so you can turn it off the oven. And there you go.